Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my Catchall planner, which is the Teresa Collins 12-month classic size happy planner. And I am going to be using the stickers from Live Love Posh. This is her Blooms and Icons book, as well as the Park Lane black and white stickers. So this book is, I found it at Joann's. It is a Joann exclusive. I thought it might go pretty well with the black and white florals over at Live Love Posh book. So here we go. That's what I decided to do. So we have Pretty as a Picture with some florals in the background. I am going to add some outline black and white florals into the spread, like so. I'm gonna start with using the corners, and while I do that, I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. So if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And if you are brand new and you just found me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. So here we go. I'm gonna do the other corner as well. These are absolutely lovely, and normally I would probably add some kind of color to them, or even pastel or just highlighter, but I am keeping this black and white completely. So there we go. These dots are awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some of these with a tiny little, well, let's actually add some strips of washi that are in that book as well. If you don't have these books yet, go ahead and check out Joann's. I did a flip through of quite a few of them. There's a collection of Park Lane stickers, and they're pretty incredible, I have to say. They did such a great job. I really do like the black and white sticker book a lot, but I also like their natural floor and the blue one. They just blew me away. Their seasonal is pretty amazing as well. So if you get a chance, you might want to check them out. Okay, so I am just moving the washi strip to make it continuing, like so. So it's just a black washi strip. There we go. Yep, just like so. And look at this trick. I just filled it in with a pen. Isn't that cool? Okay, so I really wanted to keep it pretty black and white, so I'm going to be working on several things and adding them to this spread. Okay, and look at these. These are so pretty. So I'm gonna be grabbing a few of the black boxes and some white boxes and adding some little things into my spread. So I'm gonna start with placing one box right underneath Monday saying, "Love everything about you, keep on dancing," and then "Follow your dreams." Look how pretty. And I'm gonna kind of corner this, blossom into greatness, laugh, and that's actually Mother's Day, so that might be pretty good. Work hard, be humble, and I'm gonna go ahead and move that one to a different spot. And hopefully that works out. I'm gonna add another strip of washi to this page, and this one is that floral washi that I have in my sidebar in that box. I think that works pretty amazingly. And then I'm gonna grab another strip and add it to the top on the other side. I think that's gonna add more than I even expect. Yep, just like I thought, it looks absolutely awesome. Let me know what you guys think about this. Isn't that book so much fun? It's so different. Okay, so I found the sticker and it's on clear page or a clear sticker sheet, and it says it's all good. And I don't think it fits. No, let's see. Let me add this one and see how that looks. Yeah, that does not belong here. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that for sure. I can save it for another time and put this back into my planner, into my sticker book, I mean, sorry. But what I think would be kind of fun to do is take these page flags that are on the side and add them as kind of a focus of the day, almost like a box, but without really being a box. So I'm going to be adding those to my spread, and these are actually on a clear sticker sheet as well. So these are a little bit different than your regular like page flags. So I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna be placing them kind of all over to be able to add my focuses of the day or any appointments that I have, etc. And then last but not least, I need to go ahead and add some checklist, bullet points, or something where I can actually make a physical to-do list. And it does look like I'm missing a flag on Tuesday, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it in just a bit. Okay, so that's kind of what that's gonna look like. I'm gonna be adding some of these into each individual day. I hope you guys like this method. I know it's a little bit different, but I think it's pretty fun. So here we go. I'm gonna add that one. And then I can add some bullet points to Wednesday. And I'm going to continue going until it is finished. These little bullet points from Park Lane are truly small enough to put a full bullet point without losing too much of the page to write on. So I am really loving these. Otherwise I would need to be cutting them in half. And even the ones that I'm using right now, you could potentially cut in half to have even more space to use them on, to like write around them. And of course that multiplies the bullet points as well, so one turns into two. So if you're trying to save some space or conserve your bullet points, that would be a way to go as well. Let me put this back in my planner, take a look from the top, and I think we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!